new bait caster. Yeah. This is where we're fishing. There we go. Holy spaz! Chill out, cuz. Do you want to do a safe release? May as well. Safe release. Holy, this is such a tiny fish. Don't judge. I want to put this guy in a tank, actually. I want to put this guy in a tank. Should I kill him? I'm killing him. I'm killing him. I'm killing him. I'm killing him. I'm just kidding. I'm not killing him. Giant something. Speed running catching an orange fish. I got an orange and white one. They're so tough. Oh, here's an even cool. What? The orange one is very cute. Time to go. There's a few fish down here. Fish! Pop!
Oh my god, stop tweaking me.
Opie, stop. Oi!
Hey, no, no.
Good orange fish. Alright guys, we caught this nice goldfish. Stop! I'm putting it back. Yeah, where did it go? Where did it go? Alright, we caught this little guy. We're gonna put him back because he's not small enough. Still gonna put the small one back anyway. Put him back. I fell in, chat. Still. Oh my god, bro. Alright, we got this guy. Now we're gonna put him back. He wants to be back, so now he's going back. Nice little fishy. Going back in the water. Alright, we're releasing my 10-pound bass I just caught. Treat the biggins with respect, guys. Well, it looks like with the mini rod we're catching mini fish. This is such a cute little carp. Unhook him real quick. I do the same Thing I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change. Even then I knew I never could. Know that I find. It's not somebody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay. Hey. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change. Even when I know I never could. Never pay. Everybody get a deal. A little day. Need a little day. Wait. 10-pound bag. Little teeny boy. Doesn't matter. Grow bigger. Grown to 10-pound.
I'm so tired of playing